The global auto parts manufacturing market is projected to reach $454.7 billion in 2024 and expand to $666.6 billion by 2034. A major trend in the industry is the shift towards electric vehicles, EVs, driven by EPA regulations requiring 2/3 of new vehicles to be electric by 2030. Technological advancements in automation and IoT are reshaping production, helping manufacturers improve efficiency and reduce risks. Customization of auto parts to meet consumer needs is driving demand, supported by advanced automotive technologies and government-backed R&D. The increasing production and sales of vehicles, including passenger cars and trucks, are boosting the global demand for auto parts. China, with its favorable regulatory policies, holds 59.4% of the market share in East Asia and continues to attract global manufacturers. The passenger vehicle segment is projected to grow from $289 billion in 2024 to $458 billion by 2034, supported by EV incentives and improved infrastructure. As the auto parts manufacturing market continues to evolve, innovation, sustainability, and government support will play crucial roles in shaping its future.